Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's analysis, which is regarding none other than Pepe. Before we even get into the Pepe's analysis, you guys can see the entire market is starting to see a little bit of a retracement within its price because the majority of the coins are starting to be in red right now. But what exactly is next for the price of Pepe? That's what we're going to be talking about. If you guys are enjoying these daily updates that I'm bringing you guys know what to do. Smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button, and now let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the price of Pepe, yes, the OG Pepe, as of July 11th, you can see the price is currently sitting at 150. We do have about 5 zeros in front of the price still. We're down about 3% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative, Bitcoin comparative, and also in Ethereum comparative. But if we're looking at its market cap, it's holding pretty strong above that $600 million mark, currently sitting at $628.7 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $87.8 million. And now, of course, the question of the hour, that everyone has in their mind: what is next for the price of Pepe? That is what I'm going to be discussing with you guys, whether or not we could see a little bit of a retest, or are we going to see a rebound. That's what we will discuss in this update. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So looking at its holder count, once again, a new all-time high in the holder count. And is this a surprise at this point, guys? Especially for the Pepe community members, I'm sure you guys are not surprised at all by the fact that we're seeing a continuation upside for the holder count. New holders coming in day by day. Price down, price up. No matter what the case may be, we're seeing an upwards trajectory happening for the holder count, and this is very, very exciting to say the least. And we could possibly be going above that 130,000 holders before Friday, so this is very exciting. But if we're looking at their Twitter, you guys can see 375.3k followers, guys. Look at the community growth, and the community growth is one of the most important indicators that shows us whether or not the hype factor still is there. Is this still people talking about it? And that answers for itself. We're seeing a massive growth in both the holder count and their Twitter following, and that is really, really exciting. As far as the news goes, there's no news coming out as of now, but let's talk about the price. What is happening with the price of Pepe right now? Now, you may be looking at these sell orders and panicking. Oh, what is going on? 10 ETH sell. What exactly is going on? Settle down, guys. We will discuss all that. But if we're looking at the market cap, 628 million, most important thing to point out is that we're still above that $600 million mark, and that is really, really good to see. But what exactly is happening with the price right now? So compared to yesterday, we are seeing a retest. Obviously, we did see the price of Pepe bounce up to that 1.582 cents mark. We are seeing a retracement of about 5.4% since then. And now, why is this the case? The reason as to why we're seeing this happening goes back to what I've said to you guys from before. Literally since June 22nd, we've seen the price of Bitcoin really consolidate between this range. But when it's consolidating, we do tend to see a lot of longs and shorts being liquidated. You can see the price of Bitcoin went up to 31k, 30k, 31k, 30k, 31k, 30k, and you guys get the picture as to what really is going on. So this is really impacting altcoins right now. Reason being, look at the dominance. Dominance is almost reaching sky high, could be touching new yearly highs for BTC dominance. So obviously the uncertainty for Bitcoin, people are projecting maybe there is a chance that Bitcoin could potentially go back below 30k, and that has happened over the past 2 to 3 weeks, and obviously that is a fair statement to make. And potentially it could happen. We're seeing manipulation occurring in BTC's price right now, and there's no secret that is right in front of us right now. So obviously that is going to impact the price of Pepe. But the craziest thing that I can tell you guys is the fact that we've held above this level of support, and the support has played out a really in a positive way for the price of Pepe. You can see this for yourself. It's been literally countless of times where we have seen several bounces happening above the support line. Yesterday we did go below this support line for a few minutes, and we did make our way back up. Could we see that happening again? Could we see this? So as of recording this update right now live for you guys, you can see the price of Pepe is below that level of support. And of course we do have these wicks that you can see playing as levels of support, but if we lose that, we could potentially be retesting the June 29th lows, and in order for that to happen, that would be a retracement of roughly about another 6%. And as of now, guys, that is looking quite likely, and I would not be worried about that at all either, because we've seen that happen before. We've seen 2 different times, and it's bounced back above that range. But reason as to why I'm saying it's looking most likely that could be a possibility right now is because of Bitcoin. Look what Bitcoin has done. Let me get rid of this for you guys so you guys can really understand as to what I'm trying to say. So Bitcoin wicked up all the way up to that 31k mark, but came all the way back down to $30,300. So you can see what really is happening. And if BTC were to go back down to $29,660 once again, which it has done literally 4 to 5 times this time around, we will see obviously Pepe reacting. But I don't see that lasting too long unless Bitcoin were to drop like all the way down to that massive level of support at 28.7. If that were to happen, then yes, we could see, a significant drop in the price of Pepe. And the next support line, in my opinion, would be around this 1.334 cents mark. And in order for us to retest that, that would be a move of about 11.3%. That could be in play if the price of Bitcoin drops below $29,000. But nonetheless, let's not forget that, the bigger picture, when we paint the bigger picture, Pepe is looking insanely bullish, to say the least. We're seeing new holders coming in. We're seeing the community growing. Pepe is making a statement for itself. Pepe has said, showing the world that, what, I am the meme coin of this cycle. And we're starting to see that. We've seen so many other meme coins that have tried to take its position, but has failed. And I've said this from the beginning. There's only one Pepe. Sure, there could be other brothers of Pepe, which Pepe 2.0 is trying to be, but how people say that it will take over, I've said this literally from the beginning, for Pepe 2.0, that it won't happen. Pepe is that only one Pepe that will be the number one, and there's no questions asked in that, in my opinion. But right now we might see a little bit of a retest below that, but I'm not too worried, because the bigger picture, I still believe that we will see $1 billion market cap sooner than a lot of people think. But I want to hear from you guys. Do you guys agree with my overall analysis? Do you have a different outlook on this? Do you want to share something? Let me know in the comment section. Also, let me know if other projects you guys want me to cover on the channel in the comment section. Love you all. See you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.